Hey, what else? Knee switch, knee switch. Oh, but yo, look at this. My boy is playing Mario Kart at the car meet. What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be riding in the county. It's gonna be a little bit of a different scenery today. Let me show y'all what I'm riding. So the real OGs remember this bike. This is my first bike that I learned how to wheelie on. This is a Giant Talon 2020 edition. And then we got Sam, he gonna be riding this today. We got the e-bike. Let me know if y'all wanna see, I'm gonna show y'all some e-bike work today. Let me know if y'all wanna see me get an e-bike. But anyway, we about to hit the streets right now. Hey, what else? Knee switch, knee switch. Land it. But land it. Oh, you worming.
Oh, that hurt.
What happened?
Alright, start recording, that's enough.
Oh yeah. Yo, he's been going for a minute. I just started recording. How long can you keep the knee knock? Oh yeah, my gears are acting up. Don't drop. Let's go. Oh yeah, keep it up. Keep it up. Where's the work? Where's the work? That's an excuse. I'm not trying to hear none of that, bro. Where the work, bro? But yeah, let me know if y'all want me to convert my fast ripper into an e-bike. I want that bike to hit. But yeah, let me know because I'll definitely do it.
Hey.
Combo? Oh, C-stand. Okay. But is he gonna land now? And here we just got to the car meet. We at Taco Tuesday. There's way more cars behind me. You know, we got the taco truck and all that. Yeah, it's cool for real. Highway outlaw. The GTR. That's tough. I'll go, but yo, look at this. My boy is playing Mario Kart at the car meet. Straight chilling.
That's the way you gotta do it.
We got all them cars down there. Yo, that's crazy.
Probably fit a person in the back. What? Oh my, that's cool.
No, that's the best car. That Toyota.
Oh my.
That's beating every car at this meet. We got the Supra.
Hey. Hey.
My ass leaning. Oh shit. We outside.
Man.
This the dude behind all of it. You see all these cars.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's
We're
multiple
outside.
motors, bro. We out. We outside. We got my
appreciate y'all
man.
coming out always.
You already know what's up.
Big active.
Yeah, we outside.
With Danny. Always with Danny.
What's the vlog?
Hey, shout out to the vlog, man. We out here, Taco Tuesday. If you're not here, you're missing out. That's all I gotta say.
For real. Yo, though.
Here's little Hobie.
Don't hit no cars now.
Thanks.
I tried to tell you.
Hey.
Hey, let's hit the street.
Alright, T4 fam, so that just about sums up today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I mean, it was a chill day today. We didn't really do too much. I don't have the GoPro, and I'm on a pass off right now. This is my old bike. But yeah, y'all gonna see more GoPro POV work when I get my fast ripper situated. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do y'all enjoy the type of content? You know, just regular chill vibes. You got the carpet and all that. If you like it, let me know down below in the comments. If not, I'll continue with just the regular GoPro POV. But anyway, I'm out. One more thing. We on the road to 10,000 subs. Make sure you hit that notification. I'm stuttering. What the fuck am I talking about, bro? Yo, hold up. But yeah, we're on the road to 10K. Make sure you hit that subscription button, bro. Subscribe to my channel. We're going
subscribe?
up. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing, bro?
Yeah, for real. What is your life?
But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. I'm out.